Good morning. Introduce myself. My name is Fanny Chehani. I'm a nursing student at Asanggol University. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present today. In this presentation, I would like to introduce self-care nursing service, home nursing, and health education service. Let's start. Introduction. Many patients, especially elder people and patients with chronic illness, have difficulty visiting hospital or health centers. Long distance, limited transportation, and physical condition often make regular checkup changing. As a result, a patient may not receive proper nursing care and monitoring. In addition, many patients and their family do not fully understand health information because unclear communication. This situation can lead to mistake in home care, medication use, and daily health manage. Therefore, staff and professional home nursing service with clear health education is needed. Purpose service to provide safe and professional nursing care at home, to improve patient understanding through health education, and to strengthen communication between nurses, patient, and family. Service description. Self-care nursing service provide basic nursing care at home, fetal site monitoring, health education about medication, nutrition, and daily care, clear and empathic communication. K-Fitur, professional and trained nurses, patient-centered care, simple and easy health explanation, focus, and patient safety. Benefits for patient and families. Patient feels safe and comfortable at home. Better understanding of health education, improved recovery and quality of life, and family feel support and confidence. How the service works. One, clean client contact the service. Nurse visit the patient home. Nurse provide care and education, follow-up monitoring, and communication. Okay, in this conclusion, self-care nursing service help patients receive safe and quality nursing care at home. This service support better health outcome through effective communication. Thank you for your time and attention. If you look, uh, if you are looking for safe, professional, and personalizing nursing service at home, SafeCap Nursing is here to support your healthcare needs. Thank you for. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.